Hello children. Active Math 4th class. Lead app book Multiplication and Division SB-8. Concept time 3. Multiplication by 3-digit numbers. Let us now learn how to multiply a 3-digit number by a 3-digit number. The box multiplication method can take a long time, so we will use only the column method for such large numbers. Solved example 5. Multiply 314 by 125. Answer. Write the numbers in the place value table. Write the bigger number on top and the smaller number below it. Step 1. Multiply the digit in the ones place of the smaller number by the bigger number. Remember to move from right to left. Regroup if needed. 314 multiply by 125. 125 means 100 plus 20 plus 5. 314 first multiply by 5. 5 into 4 ones is equal to 20 is equal to 2 tens plus 0 ones. 5 into 1 10 plus 2 tens carry 2 tens is equal to 7 tens. 5 into 3 hundreds is equal to 15 hundreds is equal to 1000 plus 5 hundreds. Step 2. Multiply the digit in the tens place of the smaller number by the bigger number, moving from right to left. Regroup if needed. 314 multiply by 125. 125 means 100 plus 20 plus 5. Product 1 is 314 into 5 is 1570. Product 2 is 314 into 20 is 6280. Step 3. Multiply the digit in the hundreds place of the smaller number by the bigger number, moving from right to left. Regroup if needed. 314 is multiplied by 125. 125 means 100 plus 20 plus 5. Product 1 is 314 into 5 is 1570. Product 2 is 314 into 20 is 6280. Product 3 is 314 into 100 31,400. Step 4. Add all the products to get the answer. 314 multiplied by 125. 125 means 100 plus 20 plus 5. Product 1 is 314 into 5 is 1570. Product 2 is 314 into 20 is 6280. Product 3 is 314 into 100 31,400. Answer is 39,250. Hence 314 into 125 is equal to 39,250. Multiplication and division SB-9. Solved example 6. Multiply 413 by 212. Answer. Put the numbers in place value table. 413 is multiplied by 212. 212 means 200 plus 10 plus 2. 413 is multiplied by 2. First product is 826. Second product is 413 into 10 is 4130. Third product is 413 into 200 is 82,600. Then add 3 products. Get the answer 87,556. Hence 413 into 212 is equal to 87,556. Multiply 342 by 200. We can write 200 as 2 into 100. So 342 into 200 is equal to 342 into 2 into 100. 342 into 2 is 684 into 100 is equal to 68,400. Multiply 342 by 2. Then put 2 zeros at the end of the product. That is 342 into 200, 68,400. Practice question number 3. 3.1. Solve the following in your notebook. A. 634 into 222 is equal to 1,40,748. 634 is multiplied by 222. 222 means 200 plus 20 plus 2. Product 1 is 634 into 2 is 1268. Product 2 is 634 into 20 is 12,680. Product 3 is 634 into 200, 1,26,800. Add the 3 products and get the answer 1,40,748. So 634 into 222 is equal to 1,40,748. Question number B. 713 into 233 is equal to 1,66,129. 713 is multiplied by 233. 233 means 200 plus 30 plus 3. Product 1 is 713 into 3 is 2,139. Product 2 is 713 into 30 is 21,390. Product 3 is 713 into 200 is 1,42,600. Add the 3 products and get the answer 1,66,129. Question number C is 412 into 304. 412 is multiplied by 304. 304 means 300 plus 0 plus 4. Product 1 is 412 into 4 is 1648. Product 2 is 412 into 0 is 0. Product 3 is 412 into 300 is 1,23,600. Add the three products and get the answer 1,25,248. Number D is 524 into 112. 524 is multiplied by 112. 112 means 100 plus 10 plus 2. Product 1 is 524 into 2 is 1048. Product 2 is 524 into 10 is 5240. Product 3 is 524 into 100 is 52,400. Add the three products and get the answer 58,688. Number E is 919 into 101. 919 is multiplied by 101. 101 means 100 plus 0 plus 1. Product 1 is 919 into 1 is 919. Product 2 is 919 into 0 is 0. Product 3 is 919 into 100 is 91,900. Add the three products and get the answer 92,819. Number F is 830 into 312. 830 is multiplied by 312. 312 means 300 plus 10 plus 2. Product 1 is 830 into 2 is 1660. Product 2 is 830 into 10 is 8300. Product 3 is 830 into 300 is 2,49,000. Add the three products and get the answer 2,58,960. Question number G, 689 into 105. 689 is multiplied by 105. 105 means 100 plus 0 plus 5. Product 1 is 689 into 5 is 3445. Product 2 is 689 into 0 is 0. Product 3 is 689 into 100 is 68,900. Add the three products and get the answer 72,345. Question number H is 540 into 202. 540 is multiplied by 202. 202 means 200 plus 0 plus 2. Product 1 is 540 into 2 is 1080. Product 2 is 540 into 0 is 0. Product 3 is 540 into 200 is 1,08,000. Add the three products and get the answer 1,09,080. Question number I, 849 into 600. 849 is multiplied by 600. 600 means 600 plus 0 plus 0. Product 1 is 849 into 0 is 0. Product 2 is 849 into 0 is 0. Product 3 is 849 into 600 is 5,09,400. Add the three products and get the answer 5,09,400. Question number J is 190 into 280. One 90 is multiplied by 280. 280 means 200 plus 80 plus 0. Product 1 is 190 into 0 is 0. Product 2 is 190 into 80 is 15,200. Product 3 is 190 into 200 is 38,000. Add the three products and get the answer 53,200. Question number K is 703 into 450. 703 is multiplied by 450. 450 means 400 plus 50 plus 0. Product 1 is 703 into 0 is 0. Product 2 is 703 into 50 is 35,150. Product 3 is 703 into 400 2,81,200. Add the three products and get the answer 3,16,350. Question number L is 265 into 800. 265 is multiplied by 800. 800 means 800 plus 0 plus 0. Product 1 is 265 into 0 is 0. Product 2 is 265 into 0 is 0. Product 3 is 265 into 800 is 2,12,000. Add the three products and get the answer 2,12,000. Number M is 361 into 235. 361 is multiplied by 234. 234 means 200 plus 30 plus 4. Product 1 is 361 into 4 is 1444. Product 2 is 361 into 30 is 10,830. Product 3 is 361 into 200 72,200. Add the three products and get the answer 84,474. Question number H is 226 into 435. 226 multiplied by 435. 435 means 400 plus 30 plus 5. Product 1 is 226 into 5 is 1,130. Product 2 is 226 into 30 is 6,780. Product 3 is 226 into 400 90,400. Add the three products and get the answer 98,310. Question number O is 812 into 343. 812 is multiplied by 343. 343 means 300 plus 40 plus 3. Product 1 is 812 into 3 is 2436. Product 2 is 812 into 40 is 32,480. Product 3 is 812 into 300 2,43,600. Add the three products and get the answer 2,78,516. Question number I is 999 into 532. 999 is multiplied by 532. 532 means 500 plus 30 plus 2. Product 1 is 999 into 2 is 1998. Product 2 is 999 into 30 29,970. Product 3 is 999 into 500 4,99,500. Add the three products and get the answer 5,31,468. Three point two. Some digits are not correct in the questions below. Correct the wrong digits and write the answer in your notebook. Question number A. 638 into 52. 638 is multiplied by 52. 52 means 50 plus 2. Product 1 is 638 into 2 is 1276. Product 2 is 638 into 50 31,900. Add the two products and get the answer 33,176. Question number B is 312 into 103. 312 is multiplied by 103. 103 means 100 plus 0 plus 3. Product 1 is 312 into 3 is 936. Product 2 is 312 into 0 is 0. Product 3 is 312 into 100 is 31,200. Add the three products and get the answer 32,136.